The mid-20th century witnessed the dawning of the polymer age, and Belzona was there, pioneering the use of this new technology in maintenance engineering. In the decades that followed, Belzona was responsible for many of the significant advances in this emerging field, including zinc-filled epoxies, molecular metal, and now high-temperature corrosion-resistant materials. Today, reliance on energy is a crucial worldwide issue. The Belzona technical consultant is on site with high-performance coatings for erosion-corrosion protection and chemical resistance in elevated temperature, high-pressure, immersed conditions in a continuing quest to maintain productivity with limited resources. This cutting-edge technology is available to you for both emergency repairs and preventative maintenance. Belzona's heat-curable materials are used to seal steam leaks and reinforce surrounding pipework. Coatings applied directly onto hot surfaces while in service provide corrosion protection under insulation. With minimal surface preparation, there is no tenting, no blasting, and no disposal of blast media required. Belzona metallic polymers can be formed to rebuild worn housings, keyways, and splines on heavy equipment, or machined as illustrated in this demonstration. Imagine the severe abrasion that takes place in this coal pulverizer. Specialized Belzona metallic polymers can remedy damage in this and other high-wear situations. These dryer fan blades are protected at a pulp and paper mill with Belzona's versatile metallic polymers. They can bond new sleeves onto ship propeller shafts. A connecting rod went through the side of this ship's diesel engine casing. The casing is repaired. Belzona metallic polymers can seal active leaks, as in this jet fuel piping. Non-slip, durable, positive grip systems are easily created on drive rollers of all sizes to prevent slippage and avoid expensive downtime. Pumps are critical in industry. They are susceptible to damage by erosion corrosion, impingement, entrainment, cavitation, bimetallic corrosion, crevice corrosion, and microbiologically induced corrosion. Belzona polymers can protect pumps from these forms of attack and keep the lifeblood of industry flowing. Several customers have documented efficiency gains and lowered electrical costs on their pumps coated with Belzona's friction-reducing polymers. These coated pumps demonstrate increased flow rate and reduction in power consumption. They saved over $28,000 a year in electrical operating costs in one pump alone. Whether your industry is petrochemical, oil and gas, marine, wastewater treatment, sugar, pulp and paper, power, or any other, your facility can benefit from Belzona's Solutions for Pumps program. By taking advantage of on-site diagnosis, computerized and written engineering specifications, and proven coating systems. Other fluid flow equipment, such as heat exchangers, tube sheets, end covers, and water boxes can also be rebuilt or protected with Belzona. Belzona efficiency enhancement polymers can be sprayed and help this hydroelectric turbine withstand the destructive forces of erosion. They can be injected as around these tubes of an evaporator at a pulp and paper mill. The Belzona high-temperature coating prevents galvanic corrosion between the stainless steel tubes and mild steel tube face, and withstands the hot 185 degrees Fahrenheit caustic environment. Belzona's breakthrough high-temperature polymer can be used in applications thought impossible just a few years ago. It protects these oil-gas separators operating at temperatures in excess of 180 degrees centigrade, and has also been proven in pressurized steam. Belzona elastomeric polymers are formulated for flexible repairs. On conveyor belts, they can seal clip joints and repair damage such as on this cement handling system. The consultant is available for on-site supervision anywhere a problem arises, as aboard this dredge ship. The steel-reinforced flexible hose transports 8,000 cubic meters of rocks, sand, and shells from the ocean floor 6 times a day. The damage is repaired. New fenders on this powerful tugboat weigh over 2 tons. damage is repaired and new fenders are bonded together with Belzona abrasion-resistant elastomeric polymers. The original rope packing of these gate valves, which control the flow of ash slurry, was beginning to leak in a matter of 2 weeks. Seals formed with Belzona elastomer can last up to 3 years in this harsh environment. The procedure is now an original equipment manufacturer application, or OEM. Transformer leaks are also sealed. At this popular tourist attraction and historic landmark, Belzona multipurpose elastomeric polymers withstand severe changes in temperature and seal expansion joints. Sun, wind, frost, rain, and pollutants combine to attack conventional roofing materials. The resulting leaks at joints and seams can threaten your facility. Belzona's chemists have developed a unique polymeric membrane system which resists these forces and gives long-term protection. The Lead Chapel roof at a prestigious Ivy League university is protected for future generations with the Belzona polymeric membrane. Of serious concern were hazards due to extensive water leakage from the roof of this power plant onto the 100,000-volt lines inside. The roof, of complicated design, was completely covered with Belzona polymeric membrane. Decades later, the system continues to withstand temperatures of 40 below in the winter and 100 degrees in the summer, along with occasional wind gusts of up to 110 miles per hour. Insulation is protected using Belzona's fire-retardant membrane system, thus preventing future problems of under-insulation corrosion and, in the case of stainless steel construction, stress corrosion cracking. Joints, seams, and penetrations in this ice condenser floor in the reactor building of a nuclear power plant were sealed with Belzona's emergency waterproofing system. Belzona materials are tested and approved in accordance with nuclear industry design basis accident test procedures. 12 years ago, this concrete stack at a chemical plant was deteriorating due to an acidic atmosphere. Belzona polymers were used to seal the cracks along the length of the stack and protect the entire surface. 12 years later, the Belzona system remains intact. Present-day photographs document the system to be in excellent condition. Look at the severe damage to these support columns at an art museum. Using Belzona's lightweight vertical and overhead concrete repair system, the museum prevented further damage and provided a nice cosmetic finish to the exterior of the building. A sulfuric acid spill attacked this concrete containment area. Belzona magma polymers restored the surface and protected from chemical attack. 10 years later, the restoration is still in excellent condition. This wooden platform at an amusement park was treated with a non-slip safety system 17 years ago. The outstanding hard-wearing material is still performing under the most adverse conditions. Cracks on the floor of this U.S. Postal Service building were creating a safety hazard. The Belzona solution consists of surface preparation, sealing the surface with a unique high-strength conditioner, and application by trowel of the Belzona concrete repair system. With hundreds of linear feet restored, this bulk mail facility can safely deliver the mail for decades to come. This military base relies on Belzona to keep its runways in top condition for the daily traffic of fighter jets and heavy transports. Another Belzona product can instantly stop leaks in walls and concrete pipes. Belzona barrier coatings protect this steelwork of a paper machine from corrosion and chemicals. After decades under the hot sun, Belzona barrier coatings demonstrate excellent UV resistance on cooling tower structural supports and pipes. At this community college, at this newspaper printer, and on top of this downtown office building. Note the pitting corrosion was stopped over 10 years ago, and protection is still being provided. Polymers have opened up a new era for the maintenance of machinery, equipment, buildings, and structures. Belzona continues to push forward the boundaries of science in state-of-the-art laboratories staffed by dedicated chemists, and in global engineering laboratories where new ways to apply this technology are being sought. The Belzona companies in Harrogate, England, and Miami, Florida, have trained a worldwide team of international distributors in hundreds of countries. We are an ISO 9001 registered organization, ready to become an integral part of your maintenance team. We will diagnose your problems, specify the Belzona solution, train and supervise your application crew. The Belzona consultant showing you this film has been factory trained at the Belzona Institute of Technology to present you with new product developments and application techniques. Materials and procedures developed by Belzona are accepted and approved by major corporations and governments around the world. This acceptance has come because our products work. They always meet and often exceed our customers' expectations. Your consultant is available around the clock to give on-the-spot advice and guidance. Belzona's cost-effective solutions will reduce downtime and save your organization time and money. That's the Belzona know-how for industry. As we negotiate the 21st century, our commitment is the same as it has been since Belzona was founded in 1952, to help conserve the environment and provide you with the most innovative products and professional service possible. Belzona has the unconventional solution to your maintenance problems. Tell us, where do we begin to provide you with the benefits of Belzona know-how?